If you've ever tried securing weed barrier or soaker hoses with those thin little garden stakes, then you know how frustrating it can be when they bend or pop right back out of the ground. Well, that's exactly why I upgraded to these heavy-duty U-shaped garden stakes. I'm using them in my son's playground area to secure weed barrier before adding mulch, and the difference is honestly huge. These are made from thick 11-gauge galvanized steel, so instead of bending like the cheaper ones, they actually drive straight into the ground and stay put. The angle tips make it easier to push them into even tougher soil, and I didn't need any special tools. I simply pressed down and they went in securely. What I also like is how versatile they are. I've used them not only for weed barrier, but also for holding down soaker hoses so they don't shift around when watering. And since they're galvanized, they're designed to resist rust, so they can stay outside season after season without breaking down. This is the 50 pack, but they come in a number of different sizes, so you'll have plenty for projects around the yard, whether it's landscaping, irrigation, or just keeping things tidy and in place.